Thursday.
Yeah, it's December 28th, I think. So we're going to head out for sail. It's absolutely a beautiful day out here. It's about, what, 2 degrees showing on the dash there, and the winds are light. There's some flagpole right there, I don't know if you can see it. The flags are down a little bit, so it's not too bad. And that was good old Salvation Army flags there. And it's just a good opportunity, like all the stars are aligned, and it's just a beautiful day for a sail.
Perfect day for a downhill run.
Yeah. So we're gonna get, but before we get out there, we got to go get some diesel. So that's where we're on our way to now, to pick up a bit of diesel.
Just in case, don't want to be stuck out there.
No, you just never know. So that's what we're up to. How did the last sail for this year, Gerald? 2023. But that remains to be seen, but we are due for some bad weather, I think, in the next couple of days, so we'll take this one. Look at the beautiful sunshine. Just heading out of the marina here in Dillo. There we are sailing, buddy. What a beautiful day. Leaving Dillo. Wonder how far south can we get? Yeah, we got it pretty good here. The wind is maybe 10 knots, and we're just cruising out the bay here. Now, Gerald's Beneteau 32. It's very good at tracking. We don't have the rudder tied off. We don't have a steering system on here. Basically, when you're on a beam reach, you just let go of the rudder and she'll just go where she pointed, basically. Now, if the wind picks up, she does tend to round into the wind and slow down a little bit, but then after a while, once the wind gets back in her sail, she'll pick it up again and go on straight again. So she's really good like that. It's pretty amazing. I don't know where it's the, well, I would say it's because it's the full keel, I guess the way where it's a cutter rig, she's balanced throughout the whole sail system, from the jib in the front to the mizzen in the back. But it's very relaxing, so we're just sitting back here. Things are going pretty smoothly, and there's really nothing to do, only have a cup of coffee and tell a scatter yarn and just relax, basically. Now, as we got into our sail a little ways, I think if we'd have gotten out a couple hours earlier that morning, we would have had more, I guess, lighter winds throughout our sail. That's the way it is this time of year, you know. You see little opportunities when everything is good, the weather's good, and the winds are light, and you just go for it and try to make the most of it. But where we had to go and get diesel, and we probably had a few things on to go earlier in the morning, it got us start a little later than probably would have been ideal. And as you can tell right about now, she's starting to rock there, so the wind is picking up pretty good. And there's not much sea on. The waves aren't high, but that's because there's not much fetch there. So where we're fairly close to the land, the water doesn't have a chance really to build up any height. But the winds are pretty good. And so at this point, we just wanted to try to get in a bit of a jib to lessen our heel over there. Not that it was bad or it was really crazy, but we were just looking for a nice relaxing sail on a December day, and it's pretty chilly out. So it seems like when the wind went in, when the sun went in, the wind picked up, a little bit extra there. Got a bit gusty, so we took in a bit of jib, and that was pretty good for a little while. The sky is beautiful. It was about 2 degrees temperature-wise, but with the wind chill, it was probably down to minus, 4 or 5 when the wind started blowing. And of course, colder winds are a little more dense, so they really pick you up a little more. So right here now, we got to take in a little more jib because as the day progresses, even though we've only been out probably about a half an hour so far, the wind's changed in that amount of time, which I've kind of picked up a little more. Wind's coming up a little bit, Gerald. We got a little handkerchief out up there, not a whole lot of jib, and Carmizin, isn't it? Tomato.
Pretty good. Yeah, just getting pretty.
It's some pretty gusty conditions here every now and then, so we took in another little bit of jib. I mean, it's not bad, it's just that we're not really into burying the rails here. At least I'm not. You might be. We get a bit of speed up there now, I guess, and tack around. Yes, sir. Whenever you're ready now, we'll do a bit of speed up, I guess. Yes, we're doing great there. Good rip, man. I always feel like when we're on the way home, I don't mind heeling as much.
Yeah.
You like that, or you don't care?
It's your comfort zone. I don't think it matters.
It don't matter, but
I think that's just experience or lack thereof. Just not comfortable. But like you say, colder wind is
more dense,
different than warm wind.
Yeah.
Winter wind is different than summer wind.
Mm. Well, it's about 0 today. I think it was what, 0, 1, 2 degrees.
Yeah.
So the wind chill is probably a bit
2 or 3 below.
more than that. So
Different than when we came up, isn't it?
it is. I think
a little bit more swell.
Yeah.
A little bit more not.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't think it was gusty. Maybe. I think when that sun went in there for a little while, it got cold, and it seems like everything went a little crazy.
The sun's out now is more steady.
Is that Randy in there?
Yeah, that's Randy.
It's nice to know there's somebody else out here. Oh yeah, she's picking up there now.
I think it's better to have a small or a storm jib or something.
Yeah, if you had a storm jib, you can put up be good. But I mean, the thing about the roller furler though is quickly adaptable. If you had a storm jib up and that's even too much, well, you got to get that down somehow. So
you got to put it down. Yeah. Cabin thing.
Yes.
Too, right?
Cabin is huge on days like this. I mean, we have my Bayfield here now. I mean, that's got a motor and sails, but it's still different because you got to be out there operating.
Still up in the wind, right? No shelter.
Yeah. There's how much water there, Gerald? Yeah. I got to get a new buoy put on my line in there too. I don't know where he is. He's gone. Buoy. That was a pretty good sail. A little cold, a little wily with the winds, but now we're here settled away. Drew got a mooring out here just off the Dildo Marina. So we tied up here, and now we're going to have a cup of tea. Relax for a little bit. The sun's still shining, which is nice. Our Hollywood Dildo sign is up there in the hills. What a beautiful day though. In here, kind of out of the wind in here. Kind of sheltered from this wind anyway. Northwest wind. Get lying there now and have a spot of tea or hot chocolate.
I'm going for hot chocolate.
I'll let that little fancy one there.
Oh, Christmas one. Huh?
Oh, Christmas one. There you go. That looks good. Got these. Oops. Oh. Got these fancy Kenyan tea bags here from Janice. That's at Kenyan Kirkle. Oh yeah, good tea though. I like it. Anyway, bye. We got a fine little lunch here of what we got here: Day Square, some 5-star bars,
cup tea, Drill and this hot chocolate.
Looks good.
Yeah. So sandwich or you want one? Here somewhere. You're more than welcome to it.
It's ham, is it?
It's kind of turkey ham,
Yeah.
mayonnaise and mustard.
Mustard.
Really? Mustard's good.
What are you getting me into, Bill?
You ever had mustard on a sandwich before?
No.
What? I think you're gonna like it.
Oh well, if this is the last video you see me in, you'll know why.
Mustard.
Mustard on a maybe turkey, maybe ham sandwich. I don't know.
Yeah, I think you're gonna like it. It's not so bad. Earlier the summer, I put down a little, what would you call that? Throw a little marker anchor, I guess, in there for just in closer shorter where I'm hoping to moor off my, put a mooring down so I can moor off my Bayfield 29 in there next year. And it had a buoy on it, but the buoy floated away the other day. So now it's just a floating rope in there, just floating free. So while we're here,
I think, Bill, that probably comes down to the knot.
did I tie the knot or did you?
I didn't.
Well,
If I tied the knot, it'd still be there.
if the buoy is gone, it probably means I tied the knot. True.
Just saying.
I know. Any case, so my buoy floated away, so we're gonna tie this onto it now in a second because it needs to be marked, and instead of just having a rope float through the water there, somebody can get tangled up in it or whatever. So that's what we're gonna do now. We're finished our tea here. Gerald's finished his.
When I get through my mustard sandwich.
Here it is. So next summer I'm hoping to put a nice mooring here. I can moor up, probably not right in this exact location. I gotta see how it kind of interacts with other boats and stuff, but that's the plan. So I had a buoy on this, but we had a bit of wind there a few days ago and came off, so. And there we go, shouldn't come off anymore. Oh, and Gerald's coming in to meet me. So that little task is done. We're just going to go give the boat a little bit of a motor around here now before we head back in for the day. Man, it's so nice to get out here on a Christmas-ish time of the year. That's awesome. When was the last time we were out, Gerald? It's probably October. I don't know if we got it in October.
Yeah.
Was that?
Early November.
Yeah, so we did. That was the last time. What a nice break from the norm to get out here on the water. I know it's not a long sail, but it's a pretty good day, isn't it?
He's real drunk.
Yeah, it's excellent. So we're coming back in for the second time. All in all, a good day on the water. All right, Randy, who knows what you're at? That's a good job. Anyway, we're all back in here now, safe and sound. That was a lovely day of boat, hey?
Made my Christmas.
Oh no, me too. I know it wasn't a long sail, but it was fun.
It was good to get out. Wow.
It was, yeah.
Unbelievable.
And there's a few people around too. Like there's
A few boats out around.
there's 3 or 4 boats out, including us, eh?
Yeah.
Which is nice.
Not sailboats, but
Boats. But it's nice for in December to be able to get a break like this. Oh my, this is awesome.
yeah.
Even just to get a day outside and on the water, what?
Perfect.
Yeah, it's excellent.
Made my day.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe.
Appreciate it. Yeah, we need 3 more to 500.
Yeah. Three.
Anyway, thanks for watching. Take care.